Taskade has a simple and elegant interface. One feature that makes it even more amazing is the ability to customize the wallpaper. Also, you can enable dark mode to increase the contrast of the interface. In today's video, we will show you how to do both activities. Changing the wallpaper. On any Taskade page, you can click on the icon located at the bottom left of your screen. By clicking, you can choose from the many options that our team has made available to you. If you prefer, you can upload an image directly from your device. Just click on Upload, and drag the image into Taskade or click on Select Image. Activating dark mode. To activate or deactivate the dark mode, you must click on your avatar located in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, click on the Dark Mode option to enable or disable dark mode. Taskade. Turn ideas into action.